Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, I'm going to take you through my exam week, my conference week and my journey through locum duties. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. Okay guys, I'm Dr. Shreya Datta. I did my MBBS from Russia at the State Medical University, and then I completed my internship from RML Delhi, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital Delhi, and currently I'm pursuing my PG in anesthesia, MD anesthesia from a private medical college in Hapur, UP. As you have seen in my last few vlogs, last month was all about DRP. Guys, I had 3 copies worth of information, actually 4 copies to be precise. This was my first year. So I just got back from one duty this morning and I'm going back to another duty right now. मैं इवनिंग कर रही हूँ 24 आवर की जगह, बिकॉज मुझे रेस्ट भी चाहिए और मुझे अपने प्रैक्टिकल एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए भी पढ़ना है. थियरी एग्ज़ाम्स तो हो गए मगर प्रैक्टिकल एग्ज़ाम्स मंडे को है, तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर करना है. सो आई एम नॉट डूइंग 24, इंस्टेड आई एम गोइंग टुडे, दैट इज़ सैटरडे नाइट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कम बैक इन संडे मॉर्निंग. This vlog, I am going to take you along with me to a lot of events. First of all, AuraCon, which was our conference, first ever CME on local ultrasound guided pain management, and people from AIMS came over to teach us. Cadaveric workshop was there. There was live demonstration on living candidates as well, and it was quite fruitful. But then soon after we had success party, and the next weekend our exams were scheduled. So guys, recently we had our conference on regional pain management and cadaveric workshop with UPMC credit points. I was taking care of the social media marketing of this conference. So during my district residency program, not all days are occupied in the district hospital. Some days I do duties just to keep a hang of all the procedures that I have been learning so far in college. And also during this DRP, I had my exams. So the DRP was entirely occupied by, first of all, the conference and then the upcoming exams. I didn't get much time to myself during this entire DRP or district residency program. Thankfully, in one of my last duties, I also had a vending machine, and I was snacking on Appy Fizz and quite a bit of snacks during the night. So the conference was a great success, and after that we also had a success party at View in duty free View by Duty Free in Ghaziabad RDC. Basically the entire department was there and we just had a really fun night. During these last few days, I also had my Chura Badhana ceremony. If you are a Punjabi woman, you would know that it's a ceremony which is done so that the bride can finally adjust the size of her churas, the amount of bangles that she wants to put on. Basically, it was done so that I could relieve my hand of some of the bangles of my chura, because I was really starting to get heat rashes out of my chura bangles. And it was a great day because my family really made it look amazing. It was a really special day. It's as special as getting the chura on. It's a girl's dream to have these days in her life. इनको सुइयां लेके आया करो पॉकेट में रख के ऐसी मम्मी ने बुला रहे हैं मैं जी क्या बोल रहे हो डॉक्टर ने भी पैसा लेके आके बुलाया चालू तू घर भगवान के नाम पे आ रहा है ठीक है आ रहा है ठीक है So guys, this is the fit that I decided to put on for my Chuda Badhana ceremony, and I think it was really pretty. This is also the same fit that I wore for Arlene's wedding.
हेलो बोलता है कहीं ना कहीं
हाँ जी भाई और बहनों कुछ कह रहे थे आप रोहित?
हेलो
हाँ बोलो बोलो, क्या कह रहे थे? से हाई टू माई व्लॉग।
सारे बोलो
जय दरबार की जय।
नहीं नहीं इसे रखो। आ रही है पीछे ऐसे हाथ दिखाओ दिखाओ।
शिया चूड़ा दिखाए ना।
चॉकलेट ले लो, सबको फॉरवर्ड चाची को भी दे दो।
बीच में चूड़ा बधाई। तुम सबको बधाई। स्माइल। मैं मुझे खुद ही पहननी पड़े। ईशा भी इधर देखो, गरिमा भी इधर देखो।
आप भी आ जाओ। हो जाता है। मैंने गरिमा को बताया सबसे बड़ी दीक्षा है। मिस्टेक हो गई, सबसे बड़ी वो है।
हंसना नहीं है, चुप। करो, आप भी दे रहे हो। पहन के गायब हो जाओ।
This is the copy that has all the exam topics that my super seniors had for their university exams. So this copy has those topics, and lots of overlapping topics came from this list in our exams. For example, this one came, this one came, this one came, this came. A lot of topics were common. This one came. A lot of topics were common from this list that came for our exam this time. I'm just glad I got hold of this and I finished noting them down. And then this was my drug copy. I started writing drugs in them. So you have to have a separate copy for drugs. And for drugs we got ramifentanil, fentanyl, yeah, mainly that. And then these two copies were like my small copies for 1 day revision before the exam, like the final revision. They have like short summaries. I've basically tried to summarize everything in a page so that I just remember the key points 1 day before the exam, and I revise everything at a go. So one for paper 1 and one for paper 2. Paper 1 is strictly anesthesia and anesthetic management of cases, and paper 2 is mostly general and critical care topics. So these were the two summary copies that I had for unexpected. What's this? Random shit. So these are the copy that I started writing in since the beginning of second year. These were the lecture topics that we had. I've written down all the lectures that we've had so far, and additional topics as well, as and when I prepared. These were the topics that I kept for my final revision before my first year exam, and then I will share with you the paper that we got. I had 3 copies worth of information, actually 4 copies to be precise. This was my first year copy for lectures and preparation before the exam. I'm through with my theory exams right now, so I'm going to share with you the list of topics that were given to us for our exam, my resources, what questions actually came in the exam and how I answered them. And right now I'm preparing for my practical exam. So I'm going to share you steps for that as well. How I learned how to approach the practical exam and how the practical exam went, what questions were asked. Everything will be included in this video. So I hope you find this helpful. So guys, for your practical exams, you will have 4 stations: long short cases, equipments, drugs, and ABG, ECG, flowmetry, capnography. So those will be the 4 sections. So guys, अगर आप भी मेरी तरह सब कुछ जिसमें रिवाइज करना पसंद करते हो तो आप जितने भी आपके नोट्स हैं उसको चैट जीपीटी में टाइप इन कर दो। सारे रिसोर्सेज कंबाइन करके जो आपके नोट्स हैं वो चैट जीपीटी में अगर आप टाइप कर दोगे तो उसका ऐसे विजुअल समरी निकल आएगा। ये प्रैक्टिकल के लिए क्वेश्चंस है जो हमने प्रिपेयर करना है। बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चंस है। टाइप 2 डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटिस कंबाइन विद TAH, टोटल एब्डोमिनल हिस्टेरेक्टमी एंड शाफ्ट ऑफ फेमर फ्रैक्चर, जो कि पेशेंट्स में कॉमनली पाया जाता है। इसके अलावा भी 2 और क्वेश्चंस है। COPD कंबाइन विद कोलेसिस्टेक्टमी एंड PCNL, अगेन 2 वेरी कॉमन टॉपिक्स एंड वेरी प्रैक्टिकल सिनेरियोज। तो ये 4 टॉपिक्स तो हमें अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके जाना है। इसके अलावा और भी टॉपिक्स है जैसे कि प्री एक्लाम्सिया, एनीमिया इन प्रेगनेंसी एट्सेट्रा, जो बहुत कॉमनली फाउंड है। तो मैंने सबकी ऐसे समरीज बना ली हैं। यू कैन फॉलो माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज फॉर सच मोर समरीज ऑन डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स। हेलो गाइस, तो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, आई जस्ट गॉट आउट ऑफ द शावर एंड मैंने बड़े टाइम के बाद ऑयलिंग किया है हेयर में। आई पुट रोजमेरी ऑयल एंड इट स्मेल्स वेरी फ्रेश। अब बस ये मैं सो ना जाऊँ क्योंकि मुझे प्रिपेयर करना है। मैं नाइट ड्यूटी के बाद वापस आके मैंने शावर ले लिया, ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया। ब्रेकफास्ट में एज़ यूजुअल संडे ब्रेकफास्ट जो है ड्यूटी खा लिए और अभी मैं पढ़ने वाली हूँ प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम। सो गाइज, आफ्टर माई एग्जाम वीकेंड वी डिसाइडेड टू स्पेंड द वीकेंड इन नाकुचिया ताल, विच इज़ अ प्लेस, ऑफ बीट प्लेस नियर नैनीताल, कैंचीधाम. So it's quite close from Bhimtal. So we went to Nainital and Bhimtal all during this short weekend and it was a great trip. We all went to this trip. My husband and his cousins, family, friends, everyone went to this trip and we put up in Willowdale Resort, which is really comfortable and it almost felt like we were in Europe.
Hi, baby. Hello. Hi. Hi, Chagupai. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. So we are at
Willowdale
Willowdale Villa.
Villa.
That right there is our cottage. Very pretty.
This place is basically 5 hours drive from Delhi. After my DRP, I left for this place. My husband joined me in between and we reached there at around 4:30 in the evening and we had chai.
Chai. Wow. Yay.
See, 1, 2, 3.
These were the duplex cottages from where you could directly see the lake Nakuchia Tal, and I think the property was given to us for quite a reasonable price. We were like 13 people and they charged us 30,000 for a night. This was my makeup spread for the evening. We quickly got ready for our photo shoot and after that we went down the mountain hilly road for dinner.
रूम लॉक करा है। हाँ जी, हो गई है भाई।
Oh wow, अच्छी है ये।
So guys, next morning we went for a short hike और उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट करके हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी में ही ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया था हमने, फिर हम चल पड़े भीमताल के लिए। लोग यहाँ पे जब आते हैं तो दे ऑल्सो ट्राई टू विज़िट कैंची धाम, बट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम वी कुड नॉट मेक इट टू कैंची धाम बिकॉज़ स्थापना दिवस है आज 15th को, और उसके वजह से काफ़ी रश था, ट्रैफिक रूल्स थोड़े से अलग थे। वी डिसाइडेड टू कम बैक अगेन सम अदर टाइम। यहाँ पे एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटीज़ भी अवेलेबल है जैसे पैराग्लाइडिंग एंड स्टफ, बट दिस टाइम वी जस्ट restricted ourselves to boating, for which this was my outfit for the day. I think it was quite a comfortable fit, and मैं तो पहाड़ों के मौसम में जाके मैगी, मोमोज़ और चाय के अलावा कुछ सोच भी नहीं पाती ज़्यादा। It was interesting to see different tiny insects that I've never seen before. Guys, इस व्लॉग के लिए बस इतना ही। इफ़ यू लाइक माई कॉन्टेंट दैन डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। अगर आप भी रेसिडेंसी में हो एंड आपकी भी नई नई शादी हुई है या होने वाली है, इफ़ यू एन्जॉय बीइंग अ बंगाली वुमन मैरिड in a Punjabi family or just being Punjabi, then you will relate to my content. ऐसे वीकेंड ट्रिप्स पे हम आगे भी मिलते रहेंगे। बाय।